All right, everybody, check it out. Scrapping with Grandpa. We're down here at my local lawnmower repair guy, and I always bring all my lawnmowers here when I pick one up. It's in good enough shape to be repaired and resold. This is where I bring them. Jimmy's Lawnmower Repair, and I just came down here to pick up my Husqvarna. He just did some repairs on it. And I actually have another lawnmower over here that I brought down here and asked him to look at, but it turned out to be junk. And I'm not sure which one it is, but it's over there somewhere. It's just junk, but I was hoping that it would run maybe one day. But in the meantime, he gave me all of this stuff right here, which Paul and I are picking up. Just parts and pieces and miscellaneous stuff that he wants to get rid of. So I'm in bad shape right now. So Paul's helping me. I love it. Yeah, he gave me a whole bunch of stuff while I'm down here. I like that. He told me to take it all. So we're just gonna go ahead and load it up here while I'm picking up my lawnmower. Look at this he gave me. I think that's freaking cool. I like that. That'll sell. So, here we go. Appreciate this stuff, Jimmy. You know that. That one's full of water too. Huh? I'm gonna put water out of it. Dump it out. Get rid of half the weight. Oh yeah. Don't weigh as much now. 5 gallons of water's gone. Don't weigh as much now. It's heavy though. Oh, Paul showing off his damn muscle. He got his beard shaved off. He's stronger now. Tell if there's any water in there or not. Don't look like it. Just a heavy belt. Just heavy. Bunch of awesomeness. Paul, we use the cart on this heavy old stuff over here. That one? Yeah. Well, I can do that part. I'm gonna go your way. I think it's the only room, Jimmy. Okay. Yeah, that's some heavy buckets right there. Yeah. Wait till you get down there and with that lawnmower blade. Oh man. Yeah. Take 2 of us, set over the side. That's probably the smartest thing to do, Paul. I was just getting ready to grab it. Not a good idea. Oh. Awesomeness. Oh yeah. You ain't lying. Oh yeah. Heavy. Hey, I might be able to carry this one. Okay, I got one. What do you call your repair shop, Jimmy?
Small Engine Repair of Southport.
Small Engine Repair of Southport.
Now you on YouTube.
It's where I bring all my stuff, everything. You mind if I share your phone number? What's your phone number?
910-523-0239.
Call them. Best small engine repair place in Southport. They always done me right for years. I've known Jimmy for over 20 years, and he's always done my small engine repair work or anything like that I've needed to have done. Lawnmowers, chainsaws, weed eaters, you name it. Even this big old boys, holy smoke. Yeah, that's a beast right there. Yeah, not a bad little load of scrap metal. Not a bad load at all. Crank shaft. Good heavy steel. All right, this is what he gave me so far. So before we left, he said, hold on a minute, I got some more stuff. Don't go nowhere. He gave me all this stuff right here. It's not a bad little load. If I'd have had my other truck with my camera, I wouldn't have been able to videotape that, but I'm using my iPhone. So anyways, today is Monday. Wednesday, I go in for a peripheral arterial disease operation at Duke. I imagine that'll put me out for a few days. And then we're supposed to be going out of town, if I can, back to New Jersey with the Travelers to do a couple jobs. Huh?
No doubt.
Yeah, so I got one of them with me. Paul, look at there, he got a shave.
Got a shave.
Not even look like the same person.
Got mad about it. Had a bad hair day.
What do you think about that, Paul? Another guy, Paul, on here that always talks about Paul needs a shave.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, so I might be out of commission for a little while on my scrapping videos, but be assured that I'll be back if I am out of commission for any time at all. It'll only be because of my operations and the couple jobs that I have to go do with the Travelers. Anytime the Travelers get a job, and they do a lot of jobs on the East Coast, and when they go, I go with them. That's my crew, the Travelers, and I'm Drew when I go with them. And so if that's something you would interested in seeing us do, we also do videos of the trips that we make. So you get to see our highway trips, where we go, what we've seen. So if that's anything you enjoy, just drop by my channel, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Check out the Traveler videos down in my playlist.
See some cool stuff.
Yeah, it might be something you're interested in. I don't know, but we're heading to New Jersey as soon as I recover from this operation. So don't think I'm going away with the scrapping videos. I'm just going to be tied up a little bit with operations and the Travelers heading out of town. See you when we get there.